Hello internet. Hello camera for the internet. Bring you in. Hello anonymous guest.
How you doing?
And let's bring up the guest text so we know how it is. And then I'm going to go full screen on this and double full screen that. And we're back to building up strings. Okay, let's learn some Python.
Oh, I was gonna say, if you need a refresher on what we were doing yesterday, I was really stumped on why in this loop that we made, why it was only doing in the shell a dash one in the second line, dash 1 2 in the third line, and it didn't, do another line where it did dash 1 2 3.
It didn't finish the job.
It didn't finish the job. That's what I thought. Um, but I concluded the reason being it has a limit of three outputs because initially in the loop is looping each character in sequence from the variable name. Now because I added in a new line telling it to print the variable line first, it took a placeholder out of 3, because of 3 characters, and that's why it resulted in dash, and then the next line dash 1, and then the third line dash 1 2. It's
Okay.
actually looking like it didn't finish the job. And then I mean, really after that, I think the part that we stopped at was like this. No. We actually no. We got through all of it. No, we got through all of this, and we just had to hit next.
Well, we're not ready to hit next yet. We're ready to read the next instruction,
Oh, I thought.
which
I
is,
remember
we haven't read this yet, where it says let's get rid of those dash characters in the output.
Wait.
We haven't read that yet.
Wait. Let's get rid of. Wait. What do you? Oh, okay. Okay.
So the paragraph that ends both before and after line minus line, or line equals line plus char, that's as far as we got last time.
Oh, okay.
And then we dug in there for a while. So now we are ready to go on to let's get rid of those dash characters in the output. You might already be able to guess how.
I mean,
Sammy, get off my keyboard.
I would assume.
Darn it. Sammy just made me make a bunch of noise. Pardon to anyone watching on the stream because my mic got bumped.
You can cut it out. I mean, I would assume. Well, can I just delete 2 lines?
Which lines would you delete? Well, let's read what they're saying. An empty string is a string character with no characters at all. It's written just as a pair of quotes surrounding nothing. Quote, quote. It's just like the zero of strings. Adding it to another string just gives you the other string unchanged in the same way that 0 plus 5 is just 5. Let's do that in the shell. Type 0 plus 5 in the shell.
It's 0 plus 5. Oh, oops.
Yep.
Oops. Oh.
And just for experimentation, type 5 plus 0. Now type quote, quote.
Quote.
Yep. Plus quote 5
Quote.
in letters.
5. Okay.
Quote FIVE.
Okay.
And let's see what that does.
5.
Now quote FIVE plus quote, quote. Yeah, there we go. So now that we've done that, let's go back to their example. Type empty string plus empty string plus empty string.
Here or the shell?
It says try this in the shell.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Shell.
that's
Right.
cool. Hey, someone's watching. Hello, someone on the internet.
Well, if I was to guess here, it's gonna be nothing but I mean, I would have thought it was a blank. I would have thought it'd be a complete blank.
Remember the
Wait,
difference
no.
between representations of content and the content itself.
Oh wait, well, I mean, it's gonna have the quotes. Um, shoot. Wait. If I recall this correctly, it's gonna put all those spaces together and have a quote around. I mean, quote on each end. That's my theory. But
Okay.
it's kind of confusing to see how many spaces. I'm gonna guess this is three
How
spaces.
many spaces are there in the input?
Um, an input. Well, between the quotes, or
Yeah,
yeah. Well, technically, I didn't put a space between them.
that's correct.
I just. Oh, bruh.
Yeah.
Right, that makes complete sense. That
It
makes
says,
complete
don't
sense.
confuse the empty string with quote space quote, which is a non-empty string character containing one character, a space. So in programming, a space is not empty.
Because by default, that value is gonna be 0. So how come? Okay, wait. Okay. Now I get it. I get it. It makes sense. I don't have any questions.
Okay,
But now,
cool. Now,
okay.
now fix the original program to get rid of those lines in the output so that for name equals world, it prints W, WO, and so on, all the way to WORLD.
Get rid of those lines. It's about
First, let's fix the program so it doesn't have that wacky thing where it misses the last character of the input string of the of name.
so line 4.
Yeah.
Okay, and then um, the next one would be instead of. Here's my theory.
Well, we need some kind
Uh,
of a print.
well, I was gonna say it's. I mean, it's going to. Wait, give me a second. It's print after this.
Yeah,
Is after this,
that's right.
and it's print. One second, brain's not working today. One second. I mean, it's gonna be print. Print line,
If you need
but
to
instead
look
of
at the example programs from before, up to the left.
because we did this before.
Yeah,
Yeah, print line.
yeah.
Uh, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I thought you were saying it was wrong,
No,
but instead of print well, I believe I have to change the value of the variable.
that's a good idea.
Yeah, I mean obviously I have to change the name to world first of all.
Right.
You know, I feel like we could change. I did this before. I literally did this before.
Have you done this before?
Yeah, I remember we did a loop where it was like letter by like
You haven't done exactly
yeah,
this before.
good smart. But I know it's char plus char. Like I know this one is supposed to be like that at least this end of it should be char plus char.
Really? I'm skeptical
So I
of
can
that
tell.
one.
Well, cause like cause cause I'm trying to tell it to keep adding on to. Oh wait. Give me a second.
You only it is sufficient to write plus char one time.
Plus char. Oh, there's no point in adding another. Okay.
There's no point in
Um,
adding char twice.
we did something similar to this, and it's like it left my mind. And that's why I'm so dumbfounded right now.
Well, let's run this program just to see how close we are.
All right. Wait. Okay, now we just have to do it without the dashes.
Yeah.
Without, um, which would be Well, just removing.
Can we just take away the
Bro,
dash?
and just make it blank, or but then
Leaving it blank might be a problem.
yeah.
But what
How
new
about
concept did the course just introduce?
um that if I add nothing, like the value of 0,
Hmm.
it equals itself, like 5 plus 0 would just equal 5.
Hmm.
Like, so, but I'm not saying add nothing, but have 0 as a value, like this being 0, the blank
Hmm. It's
is
called
0,
empty string.
empty string. That should work, right?
Not
Like,
not as you have it now.
really?
Remember, don't confuse the empty string with quote space quote, which is a non-empty string containing one character, a space.
Uh-huh. I mean, technically it did it, but there's now it looks like the whole thing's indented.
Right. We don't want that
Yeah,
indent.
no. And if there's nothing, there's literally nothing in here. Is that gonna work? Oh, what the heck?
It worked.
I thought you said, yeah, I thought you said that's gonna be a problem.
I said leaving it blank would be a problem. What I meant by that was go to line 2, delete the two quotes, and hit run.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay,
That would be
okay.
a syntax error.
Now, how would I do this without the need of another variable? Like,
You need the
that's possible.
variable.
Oh, I have. There's no other way for me to do this. Um, this I don't know, output without introducing. I mean, without having at least two uh variables.
Yeah, you need the line variable to keep track of what has been on the line the last time so we can add something to it.
Huh. So there's no way of just getting rid of line 2 and then having it loop.
Without line 2, there's no program.
Mm, okay. Well, I mean, get rid of line 2 and then get rid of, well, this part.
Hmm.
Is there any way to have this output
I don't think
with just
so.
one variable? Oh,
I don't think that's possible.
that's an interesting limitation. Okay.
You need
I got you.
another slot to store that information.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna take a while to like really marinate to understand
Think about it this
why this.
way. If after line 3 you were only allowed to use the char variable,
Mhm.
then the code on line 4 would only see one character at a time.
Mhm.
It would have no memory of the previous iteration of the loop.
Oh, so there's no such thing as doing like name equals char plus char. Like it
Name
wouldn't
equals
be
char plus char.
like, you see how it says line?
Uh huh.
Like, and then what if I made name equals char
Well,
plus
you can try it.
char?
You're playing with fire, but you can try it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to like process like, is there a way to like, is there like a loophole behind it, like to not have to introduce another, but then okay, then that's gonna be a problem because yeah.
At this point, you only have name or char to choose from.
Damn it. Wait, I just want to see what this. I know it's not gonna work.
Hmm.
I'm just. Oh. Okay. 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 Okay.
What you did there is kind of an anti-pattern
It's
for
like
the following reason. Name is something that is what the loop is iterating over, so it looks weird to redefine name inside of the loop. You can do it, but it's an anti-pattern.
anti-pattern. Ooh, that's gonna be some. Wait. Why did I mess up?
That's okay. It's looking good now.
Wait, but okay, I thought it was glitching out. Okay. Okay. Well, we got over that. Um.
All right.
No,
It says, "Isn't that pretty?" The pattern of starting with something empty and building it up with a for loop is very common, and you're going to get lots of practice with it. Some initial empty values are empty string, 0, and bracket bracket, an empty list, which you'll see soon.
wait. So oh, brackets and a zero.
Don't worry about the
Okay.
brackets for now. We'll get to them
Okay.
later.
Okay. Thanks. Okay.
Building up strings exercises. Modify this program. Name equals world. Line equals empty string. For char in name, line equal line plus char, print line.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is interesting, right?
This is similar. I remember there was one point. I mean, there was a moment where we were doing, like, we're making it so a dash was in between each chart character.
Hmm.
I remember us doing something like that. I forgot what
I don't remember exactly what
I
we did, but I believe we did something similar to that, yeah.
yeah. And I don't even remember how the heck we did that. Um, name equals. I mean, I have the space. I mean, now I have the space. Now it's just a matter of telling it how to do it. Okay, print. Okay, let me see something. Okay, that puts a space in between them. What if I did this? That's not the answer. I was- there we go. Right. One second.
Let's run it like it is now. Or maybe you did already run that.
One second. One second. I,
I'm gonna mute you. I'll tell you when you're muted. Let me get to the program that does that. Okay, you are offline. And I'm gonna mute myself too and be right back on the stream. bring my audio back in. I'm going to put you back in the stream.
Uh-huh.
And guest. Okay, we are live. Cool. Okay, we were working on how do we get these extra spaces after each character.
Oh shit. Oh my gosh, sorry. Sorry. Wait, no, it wouldn't work like that, right? No. Oh, idiot.
When you switch it around, it makes it go backwards.
Idiot. Why would I Wait. Can there be another plus?
There can.
But that wouldn't work for this situation, right?
It actually would.
Wait, okay. If it does it like this, it comes out like this. What if... Well, I don't want... Oh, okay. Wait, what the heck just happened? Wait, what?
We lost the
Oops.
stream somehow. Did you close the window?
I hit F12 by mistake. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm getting blank
you
white.
refresh?
Okay, it's back.
Wait, are we back? Okay, there we go. Okay.
And get it
So
full
I'm
screen
thinking-
again. Okay, now it's looking smooth.
Oh, that would be silly.
That wouldn't quite do it. It's kind of fun,
Yeah,
but it's not what
that's
we're looking
interesting.
for.
Look, right.
It's kind of recursive.
Yeah, that's kind of trippy. Look,
Maybe recursive isn't
No.
the right word, but it is. Oh wait, now where did it go?
I fixed it. I mean,
Oh,
I not fixed it.
It's because the stream I was watching is on a delay from. Okay, it's fine.
Okay. So, you said if I did another plus,
You can add something
what
here.
if? No.
What if we just add a space every
What
time?
Wait, what? Huh?
Oh, we're close. Look closely at the indentation of the output.
Oh, it's too much? Wait. No, that...
Not the spacing after the characters, the spacing
Oh, you're
before
talking
the
about-
characters.
Oh, okay, you're talking about that. I would have to get rid of... the print? No.
We need the print. And to give you a hint, line 4 is correct.
You said before or after?
Line 4 is correct.
Okay. Okay, then I just get rid of this.
There you go.
Well, bam.
Yeah. Tremendous.
Oh, man. It only took me an hour. But I figured it out.
Got it. Great. Tremendous. Now modify the program so that each line is backwards, like this. We kind of already did this one.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was laughing. It's funny, like, when I do things wrong, I actually find solutions to, well,
Yeah, sometimes
questions that don't exist
mistakes open up new things.
yet. Yeah. Brilliant. Cold
Oh,
blood.
weird. You left the spaces in, but it still worked.
Wait, what? You mean,
I mean, I thought you were gonna have to take away the space, the plus quote space quote,
ah,
because they didn't explicitly ask for any spaces after the output, but they must be running a strip command when they test it. In other words, they're ignoring the spaces after your.
yeah, because it should have been a different output, shouldn't it? Because of this quote space quote.
Well,
that I
convince
left.
yourself that when you take the plus quote space away, it looks the same.
Even though it shouldn't have been.
I think their grader is broken a little bit.
Yeah.
It shouldn't have
Yeah.
allowed you to get past with those pluses, with those spaces there. But now run it.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a chat, for a note to self for later. To self.
Are you gonna report
Is
that?
the auto grader broken?
Huh.
Okay. Whether I ever come back and do anything about it is questionable, but it's there in the chat record if I want to look at it again. Okay, brilliant. Code like line equals line plus char is so common is so common that Python lets you abbreviate it. This means the same thing. line plus equals char.
Hmm?
It's just a shorthand kind of notation.
Wait, what does it mean? Wait, line.
Line plus equals char is the same as line equals line plus char.
What? I don't think I would ever do it like that. The abbreviation. I feel like that would really confuse me. And
Well, it's you're gonna see people doing it that way, and when you read other people's code, so probably good to get used to it.
of course, of course. Interesting. Wait, let me do that right now. Wait, so you say instead of this whole entire line, it could just be line plus equals char.
That's all it needs to be. Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Huh?
But notice you can't do it backwards with that.
Oh, if I do it backwards, it's gonna. What? You mean like? Oh, you mean the equal plus?
It'd be nice if you could do equal plus, but that's not allowed.
Okay, that's what you meant by you can't do it backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Now use plus equal in a loop to write your own program, which prints name underlined like this.
There should be
What?
one dash for each character in name. So now we're going to use plus equals and a for loop to write your own program which prints name underlined like this. WORLD, new line, dash, 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 dash.
Wait, this should be just for each character in name. So isn't that literally? Wait, no, because I still have to print out world.
Hmm.
So, I mean, obviously, I have to change the value of line to to dash.
Okay.
I feel like that's the first step. Wait, what the heck is going on here? Okay, that's the first step.
Yeah,
I
that's
feel.
valid.
And then is yeah, this is a right. Obviously, this is a loop, of course. Um, plus char for loop. Okay. Now I don't want it to. I want it to do it in one line.
Hmm.
So instead, I'm gonna have it print not line. I'm no.
There's kind of a
I'm
trick
gonna
answer to this problem.
what? Wait, this the question's already tricky. You're adding more tricks to it?
I mean, it's what I'm saying is the solution appears tricky until you see it.
Hmm. I feel like I have to change the print to, to name
Okay.
and put that. No, I don't think I have to change where it is. I don't think. Wait, let me just see what this is so I can kind of figure out what's next. Okay, and then
Well, we've got world 5 times. Let's try getting world underlined 5 times. So like world dashes, world dashes, world dashes. That'll get us one step closer.
but I don't know how to do it without make it do dash, like one dash at a time on various. Oh, wait a minute. What if I added? No, not add more dashes to the value of line. That's not how you do it. Why is this so tripping me out? Wait, add it 5 times, which is basically for each char. How about each char in line? No, that wouldn't make sense. That that would just no.
Because there's only one char in line right now at the
Yeah,
beginning.
yeah. That wouldn't make any sense. But I feel like wait. If I change the value to 5 dashes
Hmm.
and then change for each char in line, and then
You can't change line 2 to be 5 dashes because what if someone comes along and types name equals Bob?
oh, line equals Bob.
Yeah.
Or, yeah.
Then there's only supposed to be 3 dashes and your 5 dash string literal is invalid. So you need to use the loop to print the correct number of dashes.
Which is 5. So instead of
With world, it's 5.
right. So instead of printing out world 5 times, I need to print dash 5 times, but not even 5 times, but literally in one row. Like
Oh right, yeah. We can't just print dash 5 times because that would put it on new lines.
That's what's really messing me up. Is how to get it to do it in one.
Let's look.
One row.
Let's look back and see if we can find a previous program by scrolling up that accomplished something similar.
Oh, I can't. It doesn't have anything like that for. The only way I could see myself doing this is literally just printing 5 dashes, like printing world and then print the 5 dashes. I can't see a way of doing it in a loop to literally get it to print out world in one line and then.
You kind of have to think outside of the loop.
Well, yeah, I just gave you the answer. I would have to get rid of the loop.
You still need the loop, but you have to simultaneously use the loop and think outside of the loop.
Well, let me change this back. Wait, change this back real quick, just like picture. So instead of it printing the line, what if I did it like before? That doesn't solve my problem.
It solves the world
Line.
problem to do it before.
Oh, like, wait, what do you mean it solves the world problem to do it before? Sorry, I don't know what I said.
You meant line before. Oh,
Yeah,
that doesn't. That specific change is not what I was thinking of, so that one doesn't help.
Right, that gets me. Okay, I don't know why I'm so stumped. I just bring this back.
Let me set run this program. Now, what if run the program as it is now? I think we already ran it, so we're good.
Okay.
What if I told you I want this program to only put out one line, and I want that line to be dash world? How could you do that? So I like the dash world, but I don't want the triangle. I don't want the dash W or the dash WO.
Okay. You want just a straight dash world.
Now, what's the simplest change you could make that would give that output?
Like, not get rid of line plus equal char.
Yeah, you need line plus equals char to store each character to the line.
Print name?
Well, I want the dash. So print name would lose the dash. That wouldn't help.
I'd need a new line? No.
Not a new line.
Not a new line.
Break out of the loop. Think outside of the loop.
Well, if I think world dash, and I'm just pretending the loop doesn't exist. Print line plus world? No. That's not even doable, I don't think.
That's not the right path.
No. How about, okay, I'm gonna need some quotes here. I'm gonna have to use
No quotes. The answer is right in front of you. There are just a few too many spaces in the code editor.
But there's too many spaces.
Too many spaces.
Oh, is it because of that?
Not that space. That's not the offending space.
What? Wait. No, that doesn't have enough. I mean, that doesn't have too many spaces.
Yeah, that's not the problem.
Oh, wait. You mean the indents?
Yes.
And you're telling me to?
I'm telling you to take away a certain subset of the indents.
Okay, so you want me to take something off the
Take something out of the indent. I want you to on-indent something. There's only 2 options, so try them both. Try one and then the other. If you don't know which is right. Hey, we got it.
Wait. Okay, but Okay, so if that's your methods of doing that, wait, let me see. How does it react to this? Wait.
This would be strange. I think it's this. What is it?
Okay. Okay.
Indentation error. Yeah, you're required to have an indent after the colon.
The colon.
The colon on line
Oh
3 means that you need an
yeah.
indent on line
I
4.
forgot. I forgot. So okay, if that works, because that solves. Wait. Okay, let me just see that again. Okay, dash world. Okay, so now I literally just have to.
So
Just have to do that, but dash is right under.
yeah, we need to store dashes into line instead of characters, instead of char.
Wait, store dashes instead of. Wait, you're telling me to get rid of? Um.
Yeah, get rid of char.
Okay. And but then now it has to equal something.
You have to put something there. That's correct.
Line equals
Line plus equals.
line? No.
I'm just reading what we have so far. We have line plus equals something. What's something that we want to show up in the output 5 times?
Well, obviously the dashes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try that.
Wait, plus equals a dash?
Huh?
No. Well, why would I put it as a quote? Yeah, because it doesn't. Well, why not just put line again instead of?
Well, try it and see what it does. It'll be kind of fun, but it won't be the right one.
Okay, yeah.
It kind of blows up because you keep adding to it, and then you add what you added to it, and then it goes round and round.
Repeats. So that's why you don't want to use a variable. You want to use a string literal.
You want to use a string literal in this case. So we're close, but count carefully. How many dashes did we output?
1, 2, 3. Ah, come on.
How can we take away one of those? Line 4 is good. Don't do anything to line 4.
I feel like it was the print thing. Remember, like how? Look, like remember how like when I put the print before, it got rid of. Like let me see. I feel like I'm crazy here. I feel like I'm
I see where you're trying to go with this, but yeah, it's not quite right.
Something because I thought like, because last time it got rid of one of the characters. I mean, not one of the characters, but like it made one character short. Now everything's literally so much worse now.
Yeah, take away the indent on line 5.
Oh yeah, of course. Okay, so it's one too many. Why is it one too many?
Yeah, where did they all come from?
Well, I mean the first 5 is gonna be because of the characters in world, and I told it to add. Oh, wait.
You lost 5. We only wanted to lose 1.
What the heck? And if it's not as one too many.
Here's a hint. In place of the dash, write the letter B.
Okay.
Not in the shell, in the editor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now run this. See if that helps you see what you need to change. Where did the dash come from?
Well, I'm telling it to loop. Well, because of the print.
Don't look at the loop. Look at the program line by line and tell me what is the source of the dash.
I mean, if I make it one character short, that could solve my dash problem, but then I won't have world.
Yeah, that would solve one problem and create another problem.
I can't get rid of this.
Oh, why not?
Because then it's not going to understand.
You're saying you can't get rid of what?
Well, the value of line. Like,
we need a value.
Like of 0.
Is empty string a value?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
by default it's gonna be 0.
it's similar to
But
0. It's kind of its own thing, but try this one
but then
with B though.
oh, like that would be
Well, or with dash.
like
I mean, I guess either way.
huh? Ain't no way. Hold up.
There's your
Okay.
underline.
Okay. We're on to something.
We're making progress.
But now,
Actually, before we move on, what I want you to do is look at this program for, I don't know, 15 seconds, delete it, and write it again. Exactly as it is right now.
all right, give me 15 seconds. Okay.
All right, go for it.
Okay.
I can guide you if you get lost.
Yeah. In? Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. 9 plus 8. I'm tripping. Yeah, what was it plus equals? Yeah, well, yeah.
It was plus equals
I,
something.
I, yeah. No, I knew that, but I just I got confused on the. But obviously, we don't want it to do that. We wanted it to do this, and then we wanted it to do right equals. Yeah, well, equals 9, right?
Almost. Run it.
What?
Do run it.
Wait. What did I do wrong? I mean, I got the loop right.
Wait, it didn't.
Right? Yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh, I did it?
weird. Oh, that is so weird.
Wait, why did it do B? Where did the B come from?
Okay, go down to the shell. Delete the B. I don't know why the B is there. Type print. Just print, nothing more, and see what happens.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. But we
Yeah.
shouldn't have to type print to make that happen. You just used print as a variable name, which is not a good thing.
Wait, oh my gosh.
There you go.
Where did B come from anyways?
It was just hanging out in the shell. I guess it remembers what you typed there, even when it runs something. Okay,
Huh.
now we're back. We have our dashes.
Okay, my fault. That was a brain fart. Okay.
That's okay.
Alright, but I still haven't gotten past the fact that I can't get world above here. Okay, what if, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna,
Process of elimination. Put print name in as many places as you can think of and see which one works.
wait, in as many places?
All right, just choose a place, and if it doesn't work, choose another place.
Yeah. Okay. Like, I'm just doing it this way. I feel like wait, that was literally it?
That was it.
I'm thinking you're not, like, okay, this is confusing to me. When I'm answering these questions, like, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to add a new line, or I'm only able to work with the lines already existing.
You're allowed to add additional lines.
Okay, that changes everything, because that's what I thought was happening here. Like,
Oh, interesting.
I'm overthinking. Yeah, that was slowing me up. But now I know how to do that. So what's this saying? There's no. Okay, line like this. Okay.
There should be one dash for each character in the name. And let's test that. Let's try Bob. Name equals Bob.
Bob?
Yeah.
Okay.
And see that we get Bob underlined with 3 dashes. Yeah, good.
Yeah. Okay. Well, okay. Now it's saying.
Fantastic. By the way, when you don't need to use a variable, it's common convention to name that variable underscore, e.g. for underscore in name. This doesn't change how the program runs, but it's helpful to readers.
Wait,
Let's make this even fancier. Extend your program to draw a box around the name like this.
What? That looks so sophisticated.
That's okay. You can do it.
Okay.
We got 13 minutes, and then we'll see where we get.
Okay. Well, if I'm able to just print, I feel like this is just the easiest answer if I could just. Yeah, because like what I did before. What I did before was.
Let's take it step by step. Let's make it underlined and overlined.
Wait, overline. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like a line
this.
below and a line above. Yeah, that's good. Now we just need to add the pluses and bars.
So how about plus?
Try it. Go with that
Wait.
thought and see what it does.
This is not gonna like.
It's not right,
like
but it's
the-
it's worth trying.
Huh. Obviously, it's gonna keep looping.
Yeah. So this is a case. This is another case where you need to think outside of the loop.
Okay. 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 I mean, honestly, I can't make it so it's print. Wait, can I do it like beside it where it's print?
Oh, that's an interesting thing to try. Well, try this too, because I want to see what will happen. I actually don't know.
It's still taking it like it's a. Oh well, I have a solution for that because it's a string literal. It's not a variable. So
I don't know if this is gonna be a syntax error or a new line problem. Let's see it.
Huh.
Run it.
I
Yeah,
know
syntax error. It doesn't make sense to have print twice on the same line.
Yeah. Okay. So I want.
But remember that you can put more than one thing inside of the parentheses for a print function.
Wait, you talking about this?
Yeah.
Like if I was to. Like that? Wait, what am I doing? Sorry, like that? That wouldn't.
That's
You see?
close, but that's a syntax error. So we need something else to make it work.
You showed me this before. You showed me.
How do we concatenate strings?
Well, quotes. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean?
If you have two strings, how do you tack them onto each other?
Doing a plus between.
Uh-huh.
But then I need the parentheses.
Yeah, it needs to be inside of the
inside.
parentheses
Plus.
so that it gets fed into the print function.
See. Let me just see.
There we go. That's progress.
Alright, and then obviously like. But then it's not gonna be as centered. I just realized that. Like, it's kind of off.
Well, for now it's off, but that's because we haven't finished. That's just because we haven't finished the job yet.
Wait a minute. Alright.
Wait, what did you do?
I just put a space right here. Hey.
That's. I mean, okay.
You didn't even think that. You didn't even think that, did you?
That's funny. I did not think of that.
The heck? Okay. Holy smokes, I can't type. Okay, fine. Meter. Alright, but then the problem here is. Wait, what?
Syntax error. It's
How?
kind of hard to read that red typing on my screen.
It
Invalid
says print
syntax.
plus-
Perhaps you meant.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm missing a plus.
You're missing a plus there. Yeah, that's all it is.
There we go. And then the easy. This is obvious. I mean, it's the same thing. It's like. Wait,
It's the
how
same
do I-
idea.
Character. There we go. There we go. Doesn't matter if it's a double quote or a single quote.
It does. Well, if you start with a single quote, you have to end with a single quote within a given string.
Okay, I see. Yeah, but then
We're close. We're so close.
it, what? It
Oh,
still took,
it still took it. That's
even though it's
because,
off.
well, what
Oh
if there was
no.
someone who had a space in their name, like Bob Space
Oh, so
Ross?
that so, so you think that's why
That's
it's
why it
considered
accepted it.
acceptable?
It just tested that you had padded the correct things around whatever you put into the variable name.
Even then, I wouldn't feel comfortable continuing if I knew I did it wrong. Wait, why is it like?
You did it right. Line
No,
one, you added that space on line one. That was a mistake.
oh, okay, okay. So it's oh yeah, yeah,
Now type
yeah.
and to make sure you understand what happened. Replace world with Bob space Bob.
Okay, Bob.
No,
Like, give me space Bob or
no space at the beginning, just a space in the middle.
Bob. Oh, Bob space space
Bob
Bob.
space Bob.
B. Oh, okay. Bob space Bob.
Yeah,
Okay, and that's what it.
and it underlines the space.
Oh,
The same thing happened when
oh,
when you said that your name was Space World.
huh. So it accommodates.
It accommodates
What
spaces in the name.
what caused that accommodation? Well,
Space is just
because
another
of this.
character. Space is just a
Okay.
funny looking character that doesn't really look like anything.
Hmm. And because of this lovely um, expression, I guess you
Yeah.
call it.
And
It
for
accommodates
that
this.
combine that in tandem with for char in name, because space is one of the characters.
Yeah, space does count as a character. Okay, I'm probably not going to remember how to do this tomorrow. But
I
I'm
think there's more practice in the next section, so we'll have a
okay.
chance to. Oh,
Okay.
it actually gave us another one to try to do, but I think that's something for tomorrow.
Yeah.
You can dream
Yeah.
about world.
No, I appreciate your patience with
Yeah,
me. Um,
happy to do it.
yeah, that's
I
true.
think this is a good place to wrap up for today.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me go back to the stream and take you offline. Okay, you are no longer live. Take away the guest string. It's not a string, it's a sign. Um, where is thanks for watching? There it is. And then I'm going to turn my camera off. I'm going to mute my mic and say goodbye, internet.